Okay mga kamatis, mga kaibigan, we have a new challenger. Oh my God. Well, eto po daw yung ex ni Emrys and nagsalita siya to testify na may mga kasinungalingan daw na binitawan si Adam. Okay, so dadahan-dahanin natin. I'll walk you through with it. Siyempre, napanood ko na to beforehand. Kung may inaccuracies ako, nandiyan naman yung comment section para mapanood natin ng tama at ma-analyze natin to ng tama. Pero ito yung thesis statement nitong video na to. Mas matagal silang magkasama, so mas kilala niya si Ems. At marami daw kasinungalingan si Adam na sinasabi. Pero we will listen in all the same. Let's go.
That I was with.
Okay, ulit.
Whatever your guy is saying or this person is saying, I will do it all life because I know the person that I was with. I believe in you, but I know you're a good person. I know what you want to do, and I believe in you.
And you were with me way longer. Way longer. And that was so annoying.
Way longer. Oh! Ayan na. Naglalabasan na ng mga big guns na tinatawag. Well, ganun naman talaga. Even if you go to court, may mga testigo ka dyan. So, eto, nasa court of public opinion kasi tayo. And again, we are a neutral observer dito. At least I am a neutral observer in my opinion. Although, of course, I have interacted with Adam before. Kung naalala nyo, yung challenge niya, yung nasa truck challenge siya for 100 days yata yun. I'm not sure or 30 days. I'm not sure, pero na-interview ko na siya doon. And having said that, eto, I'll just walk you through with it. Okay? Yun nga daw. So, ang laban niya, mas kilala siya. Itong lalaki na to, mas kilala niya si M since mas matagal silang nagsama. Pero do you believe that? Tuloy natin.
we were so in love with each other, and we like as a man, let's try to take advantage of your ex.
Oh, ano?
So feel bad about her. It's so tiny big energy.
Oh my God. This guy does not have Bible verses. This got bars. He said, the Oten of the Adam is tiny with the dick energy. Oh my God. Jesus, I'm sorry. If you are there, I'm sorry. Tiny dick energy. Is it time? Is it time? later. Let's go. Abande tayo.
Sorry for my English, but then you guarantee.
Oh, inulit pa.
And you actually knew me way longer. You actually lived with me.
Okay, so nag-live-in din sila ng mas matagal kay Adam. Okay? Clear.
The things that he's saying are so horrific at this point. Really, really sad.
Don't let it go. Don't let this guy affect you.
Okay.
Like, he's a stupid person that is just doing harm.
Oh, Parang kailangan ko nang sabihin ng mga mahihiwagang salita. Ano yung sasabihin ko? Ay, tuloy natin. Atalin natin, no?
Don't give them the power to affect your life.
Okay.
You know what he's saying is not true. You know it in your heart. I know it. Everyone that really knows, you know it. Don't let that person affect your life.
But it's just, I have so many people relying on me to speak the word of God, and then I have people coming in after.
Tapos yung kasama niya, sinasabi ng small dick energy si Adam no? Kasi syempre siya mabait Tapos ito, medyo bad boy. Alam na this. Hindi, wag tayong magsakitan. Magmahalan tayo. May gera sa Israel tsaka sa Israel-Iran. Tapos alam mo yun, mahirap ang buhay sa Pilipinas. Tuloy natin. Hindi ko ma-take talaga yung boyfriend, man. Like, nung pinakikingan ko kanina to, sabi ko, my God. Issue to eh. Kasi kaka-post niya lang to kanina eh. Diyos ko.
in his lies and going like, I thought you believed in God, but now I know the truth. And it's like this random guy approached with one thing, like with and Pan is so mad.
Who is Pan?
He fabricated a screenshot of a conversation with Pan that doesn't exist.
Okay, so invento daw that's grabe yung mga yung mga allegations. Nag-invento daw ng screenshot si Adam against sa kanya. That is a serious allegation, okay? I mean, for both sides. If one side is lying, that's, I know it too well. Paano yan? Kung totoo yung sinasabi nitong si Madam, that's a criminal act na binibintang niya kay Adam. And kung siya naman yung nagsisinungaling, that's another criminal act na ginagawa niya. See how it's spiraling down, okay? So, pero abante tayo.
Invented people.
Yeah, he did invent people. This one is the last video ever.
Okay.
Right?
About you.
About me.
It has been 9 months. What is there to say?
Well, apparently,
Whatever happened, who cares? Whatever happened, who cares? Like, it's a relationship that is already over. Why do you keep talking about it like it was recent? Like,
Well, kasi ako, sasagutin ko yun ang bago si Ems. Kasi nga maraming nagre-react. Yung public opinion, yung problema kasi. When you're an influencer kasi, ang unang kalaban mo is public opinion. If public opinion is against you, mahirap talaga mag-navigate. I mean, ako na lang yung maging example nyo doon. Pero hindi naman ako parang si Ems or si Adam na ganyan kasikat, diba? Sakto lang ako. I just exist here. Tuloy natin.
no, but you don't understand how long you want to monetize your own life. Just using the story for 9 months, extending and just grinding, trying to,
Oh.
I don't know, like, what they say, extreme.
So, ang sinasabi niya, si Adam daw ay minomonetize lang to for the sake of money, etong ginagawa niya. So, medyo pareha sila ng masasabi kong yung narrative, pareha sila ni Ems ng narrative, 'di ba? Well, I don't know if they spoke beforehand, pero nung pinanonood ko kasi si Ems, ang sinasabi niya clout and money, yun yung dahilan. So, ito namang si ex-boyfriend for 3 years sinasabi niya money. Okay, abante.
Nothing. But to take all that you can from that story.
yes.
It's just lame.
Okay?
It is like apparently my friend in Thailand spoke to my ex-fiance,
Okay, which is siya?
which is you. Did you or did you not leave me because I was sleeping with many customers?
Ayan. Okay, bago yun, context muna nung sagot. Ang context ng sagot nito is that si Adam daw ay inakyusahan na yung sketchy stuff. Pero in fairness naman kay Adam, sinabi niya lang na sketchy stuff. Nung in-interview tong si Abab, ang sabi niya is gold digger, prostitute, and puta. Diba? Para lang bagets yung context, abante.
No. And like in our relationship was never like the problems we had was never about other people. We were very loyal to each other.
Okay?
And if we had problems was mainly and very understanding. I was living in a different country. You were in another country chasing your dream. We're not in the same place. Of course, it was that was the reason that we were not together at the end. That doesn't mean that we didn't love each other or our relationship was good. Like it's not about it.
Okay, so ang sinasabi nila, na mayroon silang long distance, LDR sila, okay? Kaya sila naghiwalay. Hindi kinaya ng lalaki ng LDR. Pero sabi niya, nag-live-in daw sila. Ang tanong, sino mas mahaba ang pag-live-in? Which energy is the biggest? Ay, ang sarap-sarap mag-YouTube. Dali na natin.
It's about loyalty. Like you never cheat on me. I'm aware of it. You know, I never cheated on you. It was never about other people. So I don't know. Like it's just so weird. Someone saying this about us because it's so far from what we actually need.
Okay, so yung isang claim ni Adam kasi may nakausap daw nila si X. Wow, that is a serious makakagulantang yun kung naalala nyo yun, di ba? So, pinabubulaanan to nung ex na nagkausap sila. Wow. Di ba? Kasi may sinabi na nakausap daw yung tapos yun nga yung proof na, well, kayo na lang ang bahala dyan sa comment section, I guess. Tuloy.
Did you not propose to me just for fame and views so that everyone would stare
So nag-propose din to.
at you, or did you propose for another reason?
No, first of all, I'm not a famous person, so I was not chasing fame. It's not something that I look for. I proposed to you because I was in love with you. We can change.
Sayang.
That's a different story.
I'll teach you a word in Tagalog. Sayang.
Like,
Sayang na sayang. Ayun na, pwede na ulit to. Ano pa iniintay nyo? Yee! Alam mo yung naiisip kong kanta dito, yung kila Rugin nung araw. Tsaka kay Roger Rocker, di ba? Ayan, no? Muling ibalik. Mas maganda yata. Muling ibalik ang tamis ng pag-ibig. God damn, what is going on here? Tali na natin, no?
sayang, I don't know what you mean. But sorry.
It's like you could have had something, but you kind of lost something nice. It's like, oh, sayang. It's like if you have
We were in a different situation at that time when we were together. It was not like the middle of a worldwide disease, right? Yeah, so
Pandemic couple pala sila dahil sa COVID naghiwalay sila. Pagpalikan na kayo. Ano pang iniintay nyo? Single and ready to mingle, di ba? Kaysa nang-aaway, kaysa pinapalala nyo yung drama, why don't you be together? Di ba? Anyway, tuloy natin.
maybe it would work, have worked out. Yeah, I know, I believe in what you want to do, and you want to impact people. Always have been one of this. You always wanted to improve people's life, and for myself, I wanted to improve our life.
this is all about.
You're video.
Because I'm sure. Like the thing is that
Si brother gustong umisa. Brother, from my other mother. You want some? Okay. Hi, tuloy.
but I'm really grateful for everything you said because honestly, it's just it matters.
I tell to people, don't believe in a guy that clearly what he wants to have is more audience, to have more views. He got all the incentives.
Okay, so this is ano bang tawag dito? Ito yung point nung niya, for clout, 'di ba? Sinabi niya dun sa interview niya na for clout lang daw 'to ginagawa ni Adam. So, well, parang nagko-corroborate yung testimony nila, kumbaga on the same page sila. Kayo ang bahalang mag-decide. I'm just, walking you through it. Tuloy natin.
You made up things. I'm a real person. I have like less than 1,000 followers. I don't have any reason to make up things. I'm just talking the truth because I see someone that I care of, someone that is a very good person to be attacked by someone that is just taking a back.
Si ate naman, kilig na kilig. Mamaya na. Ikaw naman. Relax lang. Tuloy.
Oh my god.
Okay, so that's the end of the video. That's the full video. Kung if you wanna watch it, makikita nyo yun sa TikTok page ni Ems. But this is the ex-boyfriend of Ems. So, who do you believe now? Ngayon na may nagpapatunay daw na, or at least kino-corroborate lahat ng points ni Ems doon sa interview niya last time, who do you believe? Si Adam or si Ems with the boyfriend, with the ex-boyfriend? Okay? So, yun lang naman yung sa akin for today. Gaya mga lads.